I'm on my way to the airport, going to Greece on a 1-week yoga retreat with Molly McKeever, and I'm a little bit apprehensive because the last time I went away for a week it was to boot camp in Ibiza, which I did not enjoy. I'm going to be vlogging every day of the trip. This is day 1, kind of, so catch you soon. Self-service thing. I didn't record it because the Ryanair guy came over to help me and I just felt like too cringe to be like, can I record you too? Now I'm going to the gate, have a coffee, maybe a croissant. So now I have almost 2 hours until my flight boards, and that is very, very bad news for my bank balance. I'm about to eat them, enjoy them, and then I'm going to go and sit at the gate and drink a lot of water because it's going to be a very long and dehydrating flight.
For more information on your route accommodation, contact us.
baggage reclaim. I'm a bit offended that he wasn't like, you look so different, much better. Bastard. I would be so surprised if this was our Ryanair luggage out already. It seems so unlikely. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Look, it's Molly Yoga. Hi. This is our room. I'm sharing with the lovely Rowena. I haven't checked yet if she wants to be on camera, so I'll find out. And we've just got some fruit from lovely Molly and our itinerary. So tomorrow, first thing, 7 a.m. yoga. I'll give you the room tour. So we have our beautiful twin beds. That's mine. And then out here we have a balcony. I didn't bring my flash, so you're just gonna have to imagine these things. There you go. Can you hear the sea? Back into the room. And then here is the bathroom. Ooh, for a second I thought these were cherry chocolate oranges. They are not, they're soap. There I am. I'm tired from the flight, I'll tell you that for nothing. I'm just gonna go to sleep. The journey here was fine. Our taxi driver was nuts. I wish I could have recorded that whole conversation. He was nice, but he was just like clearly very sexist. Anyway, so day one done, and I haven't even done the yoga. I suppose it's not really day one, it's just the journey. I'm looking forward to it. I always think it's interesting meeting new people and kind of, you know, you're trying to figure everyone out. Watch this space.